Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. My name is Amarpreet Kaur and I am your computer teacher. First, write the date and day on the top of this chapter because today we will start a chapter number 2 whose name is Windows 7. Now, what is a Windows 7? Windows 7 is an operating system. You can also call it a system software. You can call it a system software as well. Okay, and you install Windows 7. You can install on your computer. Without installing a window you can't use a hardware. Okay, now next topic is introduction. Under this, in the last class you learned about the Windows 7 operating system. We have already studied about it. Now underline this line: an operating system is the most important program of a computer that acts as a medium for the interaction with the hardware using the software. Now operating system is just a program. By using operating system you can interact with the hardware. Without an operating system we cannot even start a computer or work on it. Okay, you can't do any work on a computer if there is a no operating system. It manages all the activities of a computer. All the activities are managed by the window, and some of the earlier popular versions of Windows operating system include Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows XP, and Windows Vista. These are the older versions of the window. Okay, window 95, 98, XP, and Vista. These are the older versions. Now next topic is Windows 7 features. Now we will read the features. What are the features of a Windows 7? Windows 7 is an operating system launched by Microsoft Corporation. Underline this line. Okay, up to this. Who launched the Windows 7? It was launched by Microsoft company. Okay, in 2009. Okay, it is very old. Okay, some of the useful features introduced in Windows 7 are sneak. Sneak is the feature of Windows 7, and arrow flip, shake, snap, and jump list. We will read about it one by one. What are these things? Okay, now next is sneak. Underline this word. Okay, the sneak feature of Windows 7 shows you on the taskbar. This feature is available on the taskbar. Here you can see taskbar, a preview. Underline this word as well: preview of the window that are open. Suppose you have opened one app here, and you have opened another application here, open a three applications here, or you can say you have opened three windows here. If you click on the if you move your mouse here, then this kind of window will be open. This is called a sneak. Okay, for this you need to hover your mouse over any icon. Okay, you have to move your cursor here, and then this window will be visible to you, and all the open windows related to that icon appear as a mini windows, and these are called a mini windows. Mini windows means small windows, showing the contents of that window. Okay, and this feature is useful as it saves your time. Now this feature is very beneficial for you because it saves your time, because you can just move your mouse here and you can see which window is open, and you need not restore different windows to search a particular window, and you do not need to restore a different window or search for any particular window. You just sneak the required window on your taskbar and click on the window that you want to work. Okay, you suppose there are three windows, and which window you want to sneak, just move your cursor on that icon, then your window will be visible to you. Okay, next feature is arrow flip. Okay, also learn the spelling of this arrow. Okay, when you have a many open windows in Windows 7, arrow flip feature proves useful. Now where you can use this? feature, you can use this feature if you have opened so many windows and it shows you what is happening in all other open windows on the computer system. And if you want to know about what is happening in the other windows, then you can use this feature. The difference between sneak feature, Hanji, underline this line. The difference between sneak feature and the arrow flip feature is that sneak feature shows mini windows related to a particular icon on the taskbar. On the other hand, the arrow flip feature shows the mini windows of all the open windows arranged in an order, showing the most recent window on the top. Now, what is the difference between this? In case of sneak, you have to just move a cursor on an icon and that mini window will be visible to you. But in case of this arrow flip, you can see here 1, 2, 3, and 4 windows are open, and these windows will be open in an order form. Okay, this is the main difference. To use arrow flip feature, you need to press window. Okay, underline this thing. Okay, if you want to use a flip feature, uh, press window key. You can see window key is looks like this. Okay, in square form. Click on this and also click tab key simultaneously. Okay, you have to click these two keys at the same time. To continue flipping through open windows, hold down window key and continue press tab key till you find the required window. Okay, you have to press these two keys if you want to use the arrow flip feature. Okay. Now next feature is a shake. If you are working in a window in restore mode, underline restore word, and are getting confused by the other open windows in the background, shake feature of Windows 7 is quite useful. Now, if you are working in a window, if you are working in a restore mode, but there are other various windows opened in the background, then you can use a shake feature. Okay, it helps to underline this line. It helps to minimize all the open windows except the window you are working in. Only that window will be opened on which you are working, and other windows will be minimized. And to use the shake feature, click and hold the mouse button on the title bar. Okay, you have to hold the mouse button on title bar you are working in. Okay, then you can only shake that window. Now shake the mouse sideways. Okay, you can shake your mouse. This minimizes all the windows in the back. Okay, only a particular window on that you are working, that window will be open and other windows will be minimized in the background. And to restore back the open windows, repeat this process. And if you want to restore those windows, yeah, then you can repeat the same process. Okay, now next feature is snap. Suppose you want to compare two files, you need to arrange the two windows side by side exactly to fill half the screen. Suppose you want to compare two files. Now suppose there are two files and you want to arrange these two windows side by side exactly to fill half the screen. And you don't want to fill the whole screen of your computer, and you want only a half screen should be filled. It takes time to arrange a window like this. But this feature is a very take a very time to arrange the windows. This becomes more time consuming. Okay, this is a more time consuming if this work is to be done on regular basis. If you are using this feature on a regular base, then it will take a more time. Windows 7 provides a snap feature to make it this easy. Okay, you can compare two files and arrange them. Okay, so that your whole screen don't fill. To use the snap feature, click and hold title bar. Same thing here. You have to hold on the title bar of one of two windows Okay, there are two windows, but on one window you have to hold the title bar, move the mouse pointer towards left or right. You have to just hold here and you can move to left side, or you, if you want to move to right side, then you can move. Release the mouse button. Suppose you are moving to left side and you want to release here, then you can release. The window will fill exactly half of the screen. Okay, you can also minimize the size of this screen. Okay, it depends upon you, so that the window will fill exactly half of the screen. Okay, the other open windows will appear as a mini windows in the remaining half screen, and other windows you can put on the other half screen. And suppose there is a this is your screen, and if you are doing a work on a one screen, then you can arrange that window here, and other windows you can arrange this side. Okay, and click on the other window required. This window will now fill the remaining half of the screen. Okay, this is your requirement, how you want to arrange. Then you can use a space of your screen by using this feature. Next is jump list. Jump list is a feature introduced in Windows 7. Okay, this feature allows you, now underline this line, this feature allows you to view recent documents in a program that is pinned to the taskbar. Okay, this feature you can use if you want to see a recent latest documents in a program, and you can and that program will be pinned to the taskbar. Suppose these things, this folder, this explorer are pinned here. Okay, and you can check here which documents are opened, you have opened, and these are open documents. Okay, to see jump list, and this is called a jump list. Okay, right click on any program icon in the taskbar. Okay, move your right click here on this, and you will see this jump list. Okay, this will open the list of recently modified document within. Okay, you will see the you will see those documents which are opened. Okay, now next is a very important topic, control panel. Okay, underline this word, control panel. Control panel, now what is a control panel? Control panel is used to control and modify many features of Windows 7 on your computer. Underline this line. Okay, to open a control panel, follow these steps. Now what are the steps? Step 1, click on start button first, and then click on control panel. Now look at the picture, click here on a start button, and here is your control panel. Click on that, and this window will be visible to you. Okay, this will open a control panel window. This is your control panel window. The control panel window provides options for different hardware and software settings. You can find here various hardware and software settings, some important computer settings and their uses are. Okay, you can also find various computer settings here. Suppose you want to uh, do a setting regarding a system, and you can set your network here, and you can do a settings regarding your hardware and sound, regarding your program, and you can use a user account to change your password, and you can also change a clock or language. Okay, there are various hardware and software settings. Okay, now first is system and security. It is used for setting the overall operations and security of the Windows 7. It is to used for setting the security and the operations of a system. Next is hardware and sound. It is used to adjust a setting of all the hardware devices attached to your computer. In this you can do a setting regarding your keyboard, printer, mouse. Okay, and it is used to control sound settings of the computer. Okay, you can control a sound setting under this. Next is program. Program is used to install and or uninstall the program and software on the computer. Here you can install and uninstall a software. Okay, any program you want to install or uninstall, then you can go to this setting. Next is appearance. It is used to adjust the visual effects of your computer, like how the start menu and desktop should look. Okay, this is just the appearance. You can adjust the visual effects, or you can change the appearance of your desktop by using this feature. Next is clock, language, and region. It is used to change, underline this line, it is used to change date, time, language settings of your computer, and up to this underline. Okay, it is also used to change the region. Okay, you can change date, time, and language settings under this, and you can also change the region where the computer is being used, so as to change timing difference. You have to choose your location. Okay, you have to put your location or your region, or in which country you are living. You have to do these kind of settings, so that according to your region settings, clock settings will be set, because in other countries, the timing of that countries don't match with our country. Okay, now we have covered up to this, and we will cover the other topics in the next video. Thank you, students. Read up to this. Okay, this is your homework, and stay home, stay healthy, stay happy.